How to set up affiliate marketing on Shopify. Shopify affiliate marketing tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on Shopify affiliate marketing. How we can do affiliate marketing using Shopify. If you have influencers and YouTubers working for your products, how to create custom links for them and promote your products. So that's what we will be covering today. It's really easy to do, so let's jump into it. First of all, you will open up your Shopify store and you can see this is my Shopify store right here. So I'm just gonna go to add apps right here and scroll down and simply click on app store right here. And it will take me to my Shopify app store. And you will search for Go Aff Pro Affiliate Marketing. Now, it will open up this for you. You can see Go Aff Pro Affiliate Marketing. It is one of the most famous affiliate marketing platform that works with Shopify. And the best thing is that it has a free plan available for us. And it is compatible with your Shopify store, even if you have just created it. So you can just click on Add App. And first, we will just add Go Aff Pro to our Shopify. And then I'll show you how to use it. So I'm going to click on Install App. And we can even choose the free plan. And there you go. It was a success. I'm going to get started. And here we have our own Go Aff Pro. So this is our affiliate marketing platform that we will be using for Shopify. Now let me show you how it works. First of all, we have our own dashboard right here on Go Aff Pro. And it has all of the different, tools available. We have our own insights and reviews right here. You can see I have my page views, orders, revenue, and affiliates. This is where I will be getting my overview. You can see right here, we have important links. Affiliate portal. Now this is going to be my affiliate portal and this is going to be my affiliate login page. If I want to share a login link with someone, then it's going to be this one right here. So Go Aff Pro created these links for me already, the links that I can simply use. You can see sign up link. Now this is one of the links that is very important. This is a sign up link and I will be sharing this, and if somebody signs up with this link right here, I will be making money, or my affiliate will be making money. And of course, I will become an affiliate for Shopify and then I will also make money. So you can see right here, we have our own affiliate links right here. These are the most important links. Now, it's a simple copy and paste for you. If you want to change your portal link, you can just click right here and it will allow you to change your portal link and you will be able to create your own custom portal link right here. So I think the one that Afro has created for me, it's pretty good. Moving on, we have our overview again right here, that how many affiliates are working for me, how many revenue I have earned, what's the commission rate, and then we have like new registrations, top partners, and recent orders. So this is like our home. Then we are also getting a mobile view and this is our setup. In setup, we have like commissions, coupons, everything. Let's go to the commission percentage and it will give me my percentages. So you can see we have like a default commission applies to all products and affiliates. Now this is going to be 10%. If somebody buys a product through an affiliate link, then they will be earning 10%. There's a 10% commission. If I want to change it, I can change it myself. I can, make it maybe 20% or maybe a flat rate. So for now, I think 10% is okay as a complete beginner. And then we have like affiliate commission. So I can set an affiliate commission for my affiliates. For example, I work with influencers and YouTubers. So I can add an affiliate for them, a percentage. So I'm going to go with 5% and click on submit and it will be added right here. Then we have product commission. How this works is that set different commissions for different products or affiliates. Now I can have different affiliate links and different commissions for each product. Maybe one of the product is expensive than the other. So I can just figure out that what commission should go with what product. And then we have like 8% commission for affiliate B on any product. So these are all the information. I can just new product commission and I can just add my product name right here. And then I can add the commission, click on save, and my new commission will be saved. Again, we're getting an overview of my products, affiliates, and commission. So as a complete beginner, of course, I don't have anything right here. But of course, you will be creating commissions, you will have affiliates, you will get all the data right here. We even have coupons that we can create within our Go Aff Pro. We also have coupons that we can create within our Go Aff Pro. So what we can do, again, it works the same. I can just add my coupon affiliate commission right here and I will be able to add it. Then we have like a manage section for our affiliates, sales, payouts, and creative. So if I click on the affiliate section right here, this is where I will be managing my affiliates. If there are pending approvals, people applying to be affiliate for my products, I will be able to see the requests right here. Then I have my all affiliates right here. I will be adding my affiliates. So if I click on like new affiliate right here, and I can enter their name. So I have an affiliate known as Ben Keith, and then I will be adding their email address. So now Ben will be working as my affiliate, and they will be promoting my products and making sales for me and earning their commission. So you can see how easy it is to do affiliate marketing with Shopify, and you can do everything within this app. So now I have all the information for my email right here. You can see my new affiliate, and I will be creating their own referral coupon, their own referral link. So you can see right here, this is their referral link that has been created by Shopify. Whenever you add a new affiliate, they get their referral link right here. Now this is going to be the link for Ben. Simple, like you can see I have my own referral link for my products. So it's really, really easy to do. And now I can just go back. I have everything set up for this person. Now they will just contact me. It's a simple copy and paste, and they will be using this referral link on their YouTube channel to make sales and to promote my products. Moving on, we have a grow section, and now this is for our store. This is for the promotion and growing of our business. So we have a marketplace right here, post checkout pop-ups, marketing, multi-level, and analytics. So here what we work in is, this is like a marketplace, and it's available with the upgrade, I guess. What you can do is you can create your own store within the marketplace as well. You have a store on Shopify, but you can also create your own store right here on within your GoAF Pro marketplace, and you can add your logo, store icon, add your listing details, add your store description, and people will be able to check out your store in GoAF Pro marketplace, and they can approach you from there as well. Moving on, we have marketing section right here. This is where we also work, and here what I can do is I can create campaigns for my store, and just click on new campaign, and you will be able to add the campaign name, details, and then select the type and submit, and you will be able to create your email marketing campaigns or SMS campaigns within your GoAF Pro. And then we have our own analytics again that will give me analytics of my store, the growth, the business, what are the sales, what are the checkouts, everything, all the details will be given right here. And then of course we have settings and upgrade. So this is how you use GoAF Pro. I showed you everything, and I showed you all of the different features. Now all you need to do is just go to your Shopify store and simply go to your Shopify app store and search for GoAF Pro, and you will be able to do affiliate marketing with Shopify. Now you will be able to sell your Shopify products and make a lot of money, create your own referral links for your products, add your own commissions, and run a successful business online. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know how to do affiliate marketing with Shopify. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.